This review is of the CrisMal Silicone heat-resistant cooking gloves. And when they say cooking gloves, they really mean cooking gloves. So, and you can see on here, they've got a lot of things on here. I'm going to just read this for you. FDA certified materials, BPA free. 2 gloves included. Extreme heat resistant up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see. Stain proof, dishwasher safe, anti-fade, odorless. 100% satisfaction guarantee. No slip grip design. One size fits most. Extra thick. And dishwasher safe. Alright, so yeah. That's the box is very, very flimsy, which is fine because, you know, why waste a lot of material on a box that you're just going to throw away as soon as you buy it. But I will show you the back. It does show some examples of heat-resistant ways that you can use this. So I'm going to put it like this so I can actually show you this. So you can pick up a hot bowl. You can put it on a grill. I don't know why you put it on a grill. Or no, maybe that's not a grill. Maybe that is a grill. I don't know. You can use it to pick up things that are in hot water, like eggs. You can use it to, I guess that's another thing you can pick up in hot water. Bring out the chef in you in the kitchen without limits. You can hold on to a jar to help you to open it more easily. You can flip a steak on the grill. And you can pick up a hot pan or pot or whatever out of the oven. Man, wow! I like this. I've never seen anything like this before. It's kind of cool looking, useless but cool looking. So they weren't kidding when they said one size fits most. These are really. I mean, look at this. It's wow. That's massive. And still, it fits really well. Well, that one's a little bit squishy, but these all, you know, this is pretty good. It goes below my wrist. I mean, my wrist is right here. There's my wrist, and it goes that far. So this is actually very nice. It has the texturing on both sides, so they're ambidextrous gloves, and you can hear that noise off to the side there. That's me heating up some water to boiling because I want to put my hands into boiling water. I wonder if I can pause with this. Nope, I can turn my screen, but I can't pause. All right, well, hold on here. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the hot water into this bowl here. And just put this back over here, turn off the stove, and stick my hand in there. Oh wait, no, I need one of the gloves. That would have been very, very bad if I had done that, don't you think? I think so. Man. Alright, so here we go. Oh, it's warm. It's nice and toasty warm. Fast way to heat up my hand. Okay, so I'm starting to feel like it's a good time to take it out. So was that about 5 seconds? And still remaining warm. So I wouldn't recommend sticking your hand in with these gloves for more than a couple, 3 seconds, just because it does still heat up pretty fast. It's still pretty warm, but it didn't melt or anything. I'm so glad that there are no cuts in this because I would have suffered severe injury from that. But yeah, so as you can see, this is heat resistant, but for just a brief amount of time. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.